All students, once again, good afternoon. So recording start చేసేయండి.
పెట్టాను సార్ పెట్టాను సార్ పెట్టాను
Okay.
స్టార్ట్ చేయండి సార్.
Very good afternoon, all of you, all the participants. Day before yesterday, Monday, I taught you the introduction about the Brave Potter, the sea reading from your reader. And also I asked you to come prepare with some stories. And also I told you in your childhood you might have listened so many stories from your friends also. You are very eager to learn and know the stories of real, unreal also. Especially as you are student, you are very much interested in listening cinema stories. You are very fond of cinema stories. Sometimes when you together or in groups, you may discuss about some film stories and funny jokes you may discuss, and thereby you will get laugh. Laughing is good for health also. Laughing, always we should laugh. So these stories are funny stories that gives laugh, and some stories are tragedy stories, and some stories are moral stories, some are family stories. Likewise, so many stories are there. Some are tale, which is imaginary. Stories are told with some imaginations. Films also we are observing. We are watching the films, that is cinema. They're all imaginary. Hero, heroine, villain, and some other comedians and junior heroes. Put together, they will take a film, and we are entertaining such films in the theaters. They're all not real. They are composed, imaginary stories. Here, now, you are going to learn about a beautiful story, an interesting story from the unit number 2 and the section. First of all, we should know something about the author. Everything given in the reader. When they have given a lesson, its author is also introduced to the readers. We should know who wrote it, what is the background of it, what made him to write such poetry, lessons, stories. All these are included. Now keep in mind, we should learn some information about the author. Now I will introduce the author to you. It is also given in the page number 75 of your readers. If you have readers, please see the page number 75. It is a language. You are learning language. Every language should follow the reader. We should use the reader. Without reader, you cannot go into detail to learn the maybe story or structure or grammar points or meanings or anything. If you want to learn language, must have the books, Telugu, Hindi, English, Tamil, whatever the language you are, you must go to the books. It is not a science or so studies. Without books you can read. Books also not necessary. You should listen and just write down the synopsis, hints of such lesson when the teacher is teaching. Now it is also on the screen about the author. Huh? Now it is unmuted, it is muted so that you can respond to me. I will give you time in due course. That is the end of the period, end of my class. Then you can answer. Now about the author, it is given on the text number 75. If you have, see it. Otherwise, look into the your phone. It is a yellow shaped, yellow colored page about the author. The author of this story was Margaret Shake. Margaret Shake was the author. He was the great storyteller, not only the writer, but also he used to narrate stories. He was very much interested in telling folk and mythological stories of Asia. He refers to the author. The author is very much interested in what? In telling stories, in folk stories. What is a folk story? In Telugu we call it as a Janapada antar. Janapada కథలు, మైథలాజికల్ పౌరాణిక కథలు అనేవి కూడా ఆసియా నుంచి ఆయన చాలా స్టోరీస్ చెప్పేవాడు. He traveled across many Asian countries. He was also a traveler, not only a story writer, storyteller, and also he was a traveler in the sense he collected so many interesting short stories from various countries. And these stories are published in English also. And these Asian stories from folk, maybe a folk stories or maybe a mythological stories and other stories, they were get into translation. In which language? English language. You are learning English as language, one of the languages. So such stories are translated. What is the translation? Tarjuma antaru Telugu. Okay? Is copied into another language, maybe English, Tamil, Malayalam. So he translated many famous Indian folk stories into English. They're all brought into English language and they were retold. The present short story that we are going to read, that is Brave Potter, is a very popular, means famous in Telugu, one collected from India. It is an Indian story. It is not from Asia. It is not from other countries. It is from Indian story that he collected and it is translated in English also. It is about some information regarding the author. You know, who was the author of this story, Brave Potter? Margaret Shake. He was a very famous story writer and a translator also. Now we will go into the lesson. As already I told you, this online class is some few difference you will find, because I cannot ask you everyone to present what I want to ask you, because you are away. You are sitting somewhere under the tree or in your house or in journey or somewhere. So you cannot share physically. So the involvement of every student may also not possible. So that as it is a story, I will read out every paragraph. Actually, you have to comprehend the paragraphs one by one, and you should follow some interaction with some questions, contextual questions, WH questions, yes or no questions, some questions. Whereas it is not possible. So that we will go in the, and also I told you it is not a detailed text, as it is a non-detailed text. You should follow some difference in my teaching now. The Brave Potter is a story. So Margaret Sheik has chosen a very well-known Indian folk tale for retelling in English. Children and adults alike are fond of folk tales, which are often amusing and sometimes instructive. So the author has chosen this Brave Potter from India, and it is one of the folk tales, and he was retelling in English. Sir Tulsi sir, Tulsi sir,
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
page number 70. Page number 70.
సరే సార్.
Page number 70, first page.
సార్ ఓకేనా, కనబడుతుందా సార్? ఓకేనా సార్?
ఇది కాదు, ఇంకా ముందు
ఇదే సార్, ఇక్కడ నుంచే సార్.
ఇది కాదు, ఇంకా ముందు. ఇదే
ఇదే కదా సార్?
ఇది కాదు, దీని ముందు.
ఇదే సార్
70. ఇదే
సరే సార్.
ఇది కాదు, దీని ముందు.
అదే ఇదే సార్, ఫస్ట్ పేజ్ ఇదే సార్.
ఇది కాదు సార్, ఇది
ఓకేనా సార్?
ఇదే అంతే.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, రైట్. So this is the Brave Potter. I also provided you on the screen the lesson. Please watch and listen. So the author was a well-known Indian folk writer, and it was retold in English. Generally, children are very fond of stories, isn't it? Day before also, yesterday also, we discussed your mother, grandmother, your friends might have told you some stories, maybe ethical stories, interesting stories, family stories, like this. While listening the stories, we will go into deep sleep. When you are a child in the cradle, a baby, you are kept in the cradle. Your mother also sings some lullaby songs. Lullaby, what is a lullaby? Jolapata. Jolo vesi uuputo paatu paడుతూ ఉంటారు. By listening the songs sung by your mother, you will get a deep sleep, isn't it? From adults also, you learn some stories. You are generally very fond of stories also. They are sometimes amusing, very interesting. Some stories are instructive also. They give us a moral, some information, the way we have to lead our life also. Some cinemas, when you watch the film, that gives us a very good moral, family stories. We should live like this. This is the way we should behave, isn't it? In this way, we will get some information, some ethics, morals also from stories. Like this, the writer's stories sometimes are amusing, interesting, instructive also. Gives us some instructions. You should be like this only. You should be like this only. Your behavior, your conduct, like that. They will give instructions. So the story starts now. It was dark. What is it was dark? The place where the writer was, the place was very dark. Thick black clouds covered the evening sky. How is the sky? The sky is covered with the black clouds. That indicates it may rain. It may rain. The thunder roared. In addition to that, the thunder. What is the thunder? Some sound you hear when it was raining. Some sound from the sky. ఢమఢమఢమనేసి కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఉరుములు అంటాం తెలుగులో. And lightning also. What is the lightning? మెరుపులు, ఉరుములు మెరుపులు వస్తూ ఉంటాయి వర్షాకాలం. వర్షం పడుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు. సో ఆకాశం అంతా కూడా మేఘావృతమై ఉన్నది, బాగా చీకటైపోయింది, ఆకాశం అంతా కూడా ఉరుములు మెరుపులుగా ఉన్నాయి. And the strong wind shook the branches and leaves of the tree in the forest. So the situation is going on in the forest. It was now the wind began to breeze heavily with pick pat drops of the rain fell. It is also breeze heavily. చక్కని గాలి, విపరీతమైనటువంటి గాలి కూడా వీస్తా ఉంది. ఆ గాలితో పాటు దుమ్ములు మెరుపులతో పాటు వర్షం పడతా ఉంది. It began to rain. Then the lightning flashed. Lightning, just I told you, just a couple of 2 minutes ago. Lightning, what is the lightning? Some light in the sky by the time when it is rain. వర్షం పడుతున్నప్పుడు ఆకాశంలో మెరుపులు వస్తున్నాయి. And split the black sky with its blinding light. Blinding light. What is the blinding? Very bright, very very bright. ప్రకాశవంతమైనటువంటి వెలుతురు ఆకాశం నుంచి కనిపిస్తాం. Soon it was raining heavily. Rain began and it was raining heavily. An old tiger ran the rain through the rain looking for shelter. Shelter, what is a shelter? If you are walking or if you are running in the rain, what will you do? Immediately you will prefer to go to a shelter. Why? You will not get wet or drench. తడిచిపోకూడదు అనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఏం చేస్తామంటే we will prefer to go and hide in some of the shelters. The place where you will be safe. మనం ఎక్కడైతే క్షేమంగా ఉంటామో అక్కడ ఒక పెద్ద చెట్టు కావచ్చు, లేకుంటే ఒక పాడుపడ్డ ఇల్లు కావచ్చు, లేదా ఒక గుడి కావచ్చు, బంగ్లా కావచ్చు. Wherever you find a place, there you will rush to escape from this rain. Likewise, there was a tiger which was looking for the shelter in the rain. He was wet and cold and his cave was far away. The tiger wanted to reach to the cave. What is a cave? It's a place for animals. Cave, గుహ అంటాం. అలాంటి గుహలోకి వెళ్ళడానికి అది ఎక్కడ దూరంగా ఉంది. మీన్ టైమ్ ఇట్ బికేమ్ వెట్ తడిచిపోయింది, అండ్ కోల్డ్ చల్లగా అయిపోయింది. పాపము పులి అడవి లోపల నుంచి పరిగెత్తా ఉంది. While hurrying to his shelter, he saw an old hut. The tiger saw an old hut before reaching to its cave on the way. With a sigh of relief, the tiger crawled under the thatched roof. Thatched roof. What is the thatched roof? In Telugu, we call it a puri gudiselu antam. Paakalu leka puri gudiselu. So it refers to the tiger. The tiger found a thatched roof, a small hut. It is crawling. మెల్లగా అక్కడ ప్రాకుతూ వెళ్ళిపోయింది ఆ యొక్క thatched roof లోకి. Lay down by the door and went near to that thatched house and lay down. పడుకోండిపోయింది ఆ యొక్క ఇంటి గుమ్మం ముందు, గడప ముందు. Except for the sound of the rain, all was quiet. Now the tiger was safe. Where was the tiger now? It is in the thatched house and near the doorsteps. And it is hearing nothing more than the sound of the rain. Only the rain sound, the falling sound is coming, and remaining are all very very silent. Before he could nod off, however, he heard something heavy being dragged inside the hut. This was followed by the voice of a woman. When it is very silent, the tiger got down inside from It is just like from a voice of a woman. The sound came like screaming, గట్టిగా వచ్చినట్టుగా ఒక శబ్దం వస్తుంది. ఏదో లాగినట్టుగా కూడా అటుగా కూడా శబ్దం. Not of means fall asleep. The tiger was fall asleep, and immediately there was a bigger sound. The sound was from the woman's voice. Oh, how terrible this lady is! She complained. How terrible! I would rather meet a tiger in the forest than have this leak in my house. So these are the voice from the uh, inside of this house. How terrible this leak is! She complained. Someone is there. Actually, the tiger is thinking that is a voice from a woman, and that is a terrible voice. Leak, leak is the sound there. How terrible! ఎంత భయంకరంగా ఉందంటే అంత భయంకరంగా ఉందంటే ఆ యొక్క అరుపు గట్టిగా ఉంది. సో ఐ వుడ్ రాదర్ మీట్ ఏ టైగర్ ఇన్ ద ఫారెస్ట్ దాన్ హ్యావ్ దిస్ లీక్ ఇన్ మై హౌస్. ఇక్కడ ఉండడానికంటే కూడా ఇక్కడ లీక్ అంటే ఒక రంధ్రము అని అర్థం, ఏ హోల్. ఈ యొక్క ఇక్కడ ఉండడానికంటే కూడా ఈ ఇంటిలో ఎక్కడన్నా ఒక అడవిలో ఒక కేవ్లో ఉండడము మంచిది అని చెప్పి అనుకుంటా ఉందట ఆ యొక్క శబ్దం అనిపిస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఈ యొక్క పులి ఆలోచిస్తా ఉంది. ఏ లీక్ ద టైగర్ థాట్స్, ఏ లీక్ టైగర్ థాట్స్. లీక్ కాదు, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ లీక్? ఏంట లీక్ ఏంటది? ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి వెరీ డేంజరస్. సో ఇట్ సీమ్స్ టు బి డేంజరస్. ద లీక్ ఈస్ వెరీ dangerous and strong, or the woman would not be more frightened of the leak than of me. Generally, we are very afraid of seeing animals like a tiger, lion, and other furious animals. Eh? Even sometimes we are very afraid of the dog also, even the street dog. When you are walking with your mother or your friends, some dogs may bark at you. They will run after you. We are also very afraid. They may hurt us. They may bite us. So this tiger is very frightened about this leak's voice. It is not frightening on seeing me. So it is very dangerous and strong. It is not feeling any fear on seeing me. Am I not rightly called the king of the forest? So you know, the tiger and the lion are the king of the forest. They are very furious animals. భయంకరమైనటువంటి ఏవి చూసినా కానీ భయపడతారు. ఇది అడవికి రాజు అయినటువంటిది కూడా మనకు తెలుసు. సో ఐ నాట్ ద కింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫారెస్ట్? నేను అడవికి రాజును కదా. ఆరెంట్ దే ఆల్ అఫ్రైడ్ ఆఫ్ మీ? ఇట్ ఈస్ క్వశ్చనింగ్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్, ద టైగర్ మనసులో అనుకుంటా ఉంది, నేను నన్ను చూస్తే అందరూ భయపడాలి కదా, నన్ను చూస్తే భయం లేదా అనేటువంటిది అనుకుంటాను. ఐ వండర్ వాట్ ఏ లీక్ లుక్స్ లైక్. ఓన్లీ వాయిస్ ఈజ్ కమింగ్, నో ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద thatched house. ఓన్లీ వాయిస్ ఈజ్ కమింగ్. ఐ వండర్ వాట్ ఏ లీక్ లుక్స్ లైక్. ఆ లీక్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అని చెప్పి పులి began to think. Soon afterwards, the tiger fell asleep. So now the tiger ran from the forest, and it is searched for the shelter, and at last it reached to a thatched house, and it was sleeping near the doorsteps. And it also heard some woman's voice, a furious voice. Thereby it is a fell asleep. నిద్రపోతా ఉంది ఆ యొక్క పులి. He was suddenly awakened by an angry voice shouting in his ears. So when it is sleeping, it heard, it refers to the tiger. Tiger heard somebody was shouting in the ear. So that the tiger awakened. He felt heavy blows fall upon his head and shoulders. So there were some beads there. ఎవరు ఒప్పుకుంటారు కదా, అట్లాగా దాని యొక్క షోల్డర్, భుజాలు, దీస్ ఆర్ ద షోల్డర్స్, In the same way, the tiger's shoulder also, it was on the head also. Somebody gave some strokes like this on the shoulder and the head. You horrible beast, a voice screamed angrily. How dare you run away? How dare you make me walk about middle of the night trying to find you? Be careful. One of these days I will kill you. Go. These are what the how much brave you have. How dare you make me go over? I find you careful. With you, I will go home. These are words the lion touch. The old tiger shivered. Shivered. What is the meaning of shivered? Tremble. Tremble. వణకుట. వణికిపో. చిన్న చిన్న దానికి అర్థాలు చెప్తాను. ఏం చేస్తారంటే దాంట్లో రాసుకోవాలి. Even though it is a naughty child, and I told you, you must learn some difficult words and its meanings. So that just align the word. In the screen all you will see, this is the story page I'm explaining to you. Whenever I am telling different words, make it alone. And I am this is more than also that your good, that is your friend, your best, previous students are them meaning here. It is helpful you read your the real story several times. So it is better to write the meaning of words and that old tiger shivered. Both of this must be the key as came out of the house. So there is really a way that can the herd. So now tiger thought it in the hut itself. It'd be better do as he says or he kill me. So I have to escape from here. I should run off here. Otherwise, he would come and kill me. So the tiger allowed himself to be bound around the neck with a thick rope. So what did I do then? The tiger took him out, how himself to be bound with a rope around his neck. ఆ యొక్క మెడలో కూడా దారం వేసి గట్టిగా ఇట్లా చుట్టేస్తుంది. మనము ఏదైనా ఒక చుట్టి లాక్కుపోతాం కదా, ఆ విధంగా మెడకి దారం వేసి. The mysterious creature climbed on the tiger's hand and pulled at the rope. The mysterious creature. What is the mysterious creature? కనపడకుండా శబ్దం వస్తుంది కదా, ఆ యొక్క the leak అనేటువంటి అది ఆ పులి దగ్గర కూర్చొని దాన్ని దారం పట్టుకొని సారీ చేస్తారు. Come on, head for home, the voice. శబ్దం వినిపిస్తా ఉంది, పైన కూర్చి రా ఇంటికి గమ్మురా అని చెప్పి దాన్ని అరుస్తూ పోతూ ఉన్నారు. షౌటెడ్ ద వాయిస్ కూడా గట్టిగా ఇస్తా ఉన్నారు. సార్ తులసి సార్, హలో
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.
హలో
సార్
నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ 27.
ఇంకా 5 minutes సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ సరే నెక్స్ట్ పెట్టండి.
ఓకే
అదే
రిమైనింగ్ టైం 5 minutes సార్.
సో స్టూడెంట్
రే క్లాస్ ఇదంతా క్లాస్ వినడం లేదు, ఫోన్లు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఫోన్ చేసి ఫోన్లు మాట్లాడుకుంటే అప్పుడు మీరు క్లాస్ లో వింటున్నారా దానికి క్లాస్ కి ఎందుకు వచ్చేది మీరు అప్పుడు? సరే సార్,
ఓకే. సో ద వాయిస్ what is that called? Leak is now you see on the picture. The picture, it is a tiger. The rope is tied on the neck, and the man is sitting. The leak, it is a leak. He is sitting and shouting to go. The tiger felt a sharp kick on his side. The tiger terrified and he ran to the dark forest. The tiger felt a sharp kick on his side. So, what is the kick? తన్నేసి అడవి లోపలికి పులి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. The tiger terrified and he ran through the dark forest. Now the tiger reached the dark forest. The creature pulled hard and spoke to tell him which way to go. ఎట్లా వెళ్ళాలి అనుకుంటా ఉంది. It is a leak. At the same time, it scolded, cursed, kicked the poor tiger. అదే సమయం scolded. Scolded means what is the meaning of scolded? నిందించుట, చుట. మనం తిడతాం కదా, తిట్టుకుంటా ఉంటాం. మర్మరింగ్ సౌండ్స్ విత్ లో వాయిస్. ఎవరిన మనం ఏదైనా కూడా తిడతా ఉంటాం. అట్లా at the same it scolded and cursed. Cursing, what is the curse? శాపం పెట్టడం. And kick the poor tiger. ఆ యొక్క పులిని అనుకుంటూ తిట్టుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు. Soon they stopped in front of a small hut on the edge of the thick forest. So on the edge of the forest they saw a small hut where they stopped in front of the hut. The creature climbed down from the tiger's back and pulled him with an iron chain to a nearby tree. There the leak, which was sitting a tiger, got down from the tiger and it was tied with a iron chain instead of a rope. దానికి బదులుగా ఆ యొక్క ఇంటి గుడిసెంలో దాన్ని గట్టిగా బంధించేశారు. Then he went inside that. And where did the leak go? The leak went inside the hut. The tiger could not free himself from the chain. So when he tied with a chain, the tiger could not release himself. It was tied now. It was there on the near the hut forest. So he had to spend a miserable night under the tree. Miserable, చాలా బాధాకరమైనది. ఆ యొక్క రాత్రి అంతా కూడా ఆ యొక్క పులి ఆ ఇంటి ముందరే గడపాల్సి వచ్చింది. Who was this creature? Who was able to capture such a large and dangerous tiger? Let's find out. Who was this creature? Who was able to capture such a large dangerous tiger? Let's find out. So these are the questions. The thoughts. Who was this creature? ఎవరు ఈ జీవి? ఎవరు పైన ఇంతసేపు పైన కూర్చొని స్వారీ చేసింది ఎవరు? ఇంతసేపు స్క్రీమింగ్ చేసి తీసుకొచ్చింది ఎవరు? అని ఎవరు నన్ను పట్టుకున్నారు? సో లార్జ్ అండ్ డెస్ టైగర్. ఇలాంటి పెద్ద పులిని మరియు అపాయకమునకి పులి అంటే చెప్పాం కదా, వెరీ ఫ్రీయస్ కరమైనటువంటిది. కింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫారెస్ట్ ఆల్సో ఉంటాం. పులిని బంధించి తెచ్చింది ఎవరు? చూద్దాము. లెట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ అనేటువంటిది ఆ యొక్క పులి అనుతా ఉంది. ఆ ఇంటి ముందర కూర్చొని పెట్టేసినటువంటి పులి చెట్టు ముందర అట్లా ఉంది. అక్కడేమో లోపలికి వెళ్ళారు. ఇది నా స్టోరీ. ఎవరు ఆ లీక్ ఎవరు? ఎందుకు పంపించారు? ఎలా వచ్చారు? అంత కూడా ఎవరు? అది వచ్చినటువంటి శబ్దం ఇది అని కూడా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ గా ఉంటారు. ఓకే, టైం ఆల్సో 5 minutes. So now you prepared some questions. Just I will ask the same question. Where was that there? What was the leak? How was the climate? The climate is dark and it was raining and there was thunder and light. All these things we have. Okay? Come paper to the class. Tomorrow when I begin. Okay. Before that, I will give you a homework. All you, please write down.
Sir, time
If you have read up you,
సార్
అదే అందుకని హోంవర్క్ చెప్తాను. సార్
అది గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టాను సార్. ఇప్పుడు
హలో
సార్ క్లోజ్ అయిపోతుంది సార్.
పెట్టే
అది గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టండి.
సరే క్లోజ్ చేసేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్.
సరే సార్.